Welcome to the AVAS Installation Training video. To get started, there are a few items you will need. The pass-through harness, zip ties, L-bracket, and AVAS GPS device are included. You will need a standard or Phillips screwdriver, as well as a socket wrench or socket driver, depending on the design of the vehicle's OEM OBDII port. First, locate the OBDII port on the vehicle. Next, depending on the design of the OBDII port, it may require you remove 2 screws using a Phillips screwdriver or socket driver, depending on the screw's head type. Next, connect the female end of the pass-through harness to the male OEM OBDII port that is freely hanging. Then, connect the L bracket to the male end of the pass-through harness. This will be used to replace the OEM OBDII port originally connected to the dash using the same screws originally removed. Alternatively, some vehicles do not use an L bracket with screws to hold the OBDII port in place. Instead, you can simply use a standard screwdriver to pop the flanges on each side of the OBDII port to free it from its bracket. Once free, connect the pass-through harness as described in the previous steps. Once the harness is connected to the OEM OBDII port and the male end of the pass-through harness has been replaced on the dash, you will need to connect the Molex on the pigtail end of the pass-through harness to the AVAS GPS Tracking Device. This will start the button-up process. You will always need to install the device label side down and evenly horizontal, perpendicular to the ground. Initially, there will be a green and amber light flashing on the side of the GPS unit. Once the lights are solid, the device is now connected to the GPS and cellular network. At this point, you will need to use the AVAS Installer app to finish the installation process by entering in the vehicle's information and testing your install. You will need to zip tie the device up into the driver's side wheel well. We suggest wrapping up any excess slack on the harness and zip tie it together with the device, but not too tight to pinch any wires. We recommend cutting any excess zip tie exposed. Finally, use the second zip tie to install the device label side down, securely up in the driver's side wheel well up towards the dash. This will complete the install. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, please feel free to reach out to our AVAS support team. Thanks for watching our installation training video.